As a new year approaches, many people look to improve their health and lose weight by trying new diets. Two of the most popular choices, keto and paleo, promise results by restricting carbohydrates and encouraging a shift toward more natural, whole foods. While both diets can lead to initial weight loss and potential health benefits, experts warn that their restrictive nature may pose risks in the long run. Understanding their differences, benefits, and challenges can help individuals make more informed dietary choices that align with their personal health goals. The ketogenic diet, originally developed in the 1920s to help control epilepsy, focuses on drastically reducing carbohydrate intake while increasing fat and protein consumption. This forces the body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose. While keto has shown promise for neurological conditions such as epilepsy and schizophrenia, its widespread popularity is largely due to its effectiveness in promoting rapid weight loss. By consuming about 60% of daily calories from fat, 30% from protein, and only 10% from carbohydrates, keto dieters significantly limit their intake of grains, fruits, and many vegetables. The paleo diet, on the other hand, is based on the idea of eating like our ancestors from the Paleolithic era. It prioritizes whole, unprocessed foods such as lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, while eliminating grains, legumes, dairy, refined sugar, and processed foods. The paleo approach is rooted in the belief that modern diets, filled with processed and refined foods, contribute to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Unlike keto, paleo does not enforce strict macronutrient ratios, allowing for more carbohydrates in the form of fruits and starchy vegetables. While keto and paleo differ in their specific food restrictions, they share several similarities. Both diets eliminate processed foods, refined sugars, and grains while encouraging whole, nutrient-dense meals. Additionally, both have been linked to short-term weight loss, largely because cutting out entire food groups naturally leads to a reduction in total calorie intake. Studies suggest that individuals on these diets experience initial reductions in waist circumference, triglycerides, and blood pressure. However, experts caution that the long-term sustainability and health implications of these diets are still uncertain. Despite their potential benefits, both keto and paleo come with significant risks, particularly due to their carbohydrate restrictions. Carbohydrates serve as the body's primary source of energy, and drastically reducing them can lead to fatigue, nutrient deficiencies, and digestive issues. The U.S. dietary guidelines recommend that 45 to 65% of daily calories come from carbohydrates, while the keto diet typically allows only 5 to 10%. This extreme limitation raises concerns among dietitians who worry about the lack of fiber, vitamins, and minerals in keto-friendly meal plans. Another major concern is the impact of these diets on heart health. The keto diet, in particular, has been linked to increased levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, which may elevate the risk of cardiovascular disease. A 2023 study found that keto dieters with high LDL cholesterol levels were twice as likely to experience major heart-related issues, such as blocked arteries, heart attacks, and strokes. Additionally, high consumption of red meat, often a staple in both keto and paleo diets, has been associated with colorectal cancer and other health problems. The restrictive nature of these diets may also contribute to disordered eating patterns. Labeling foods as good or bad, obsessing over specific food rules, and undereating due to limited choices can lead to unhealthy relationships with food. Experts advise that individuals with a history of eating disorders should avoid keto and paleo, as these diets can reinforce harmful eating behaviors. Despite these risks, some people may benefit from keto or paleo when used as short-term interventions under medical supervision. Keto has proven effective for epilepsy and certain neurological conditions, while paleo may help individuals transition away from highly processed foods. However, most dietitians agree that neither diet is suitable for long-term adherence. Instead, they recommend a more balanced, plant-forward approach that includes a variety of whole foods, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. For those considering keto or paleo, Experts strongly advise seeking guidance from a registered dietitian. A professional can help tailor the diet to an individual's specific health needs, ensuring they receive essential nutrients while avoiding potential pitfalls. If following keto, incorporating more fiber-rich vegetables and healthy fats can help mitigate some of the negative effects. For paleo followers, ensuring adequate protein variety and micronutrient intake is essential. Most importantly, listening to the body's signals is crucial. If a diet leads to extreme fatigue, digestive discomfort, or other concerning symptoms, it may not be the right fit. Ultimately, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition. While keto and paleo offer structured guidelines that some may find appealing, their restrictive nature makes them difficult to sustain and potentially risky for overall health. Instead, focusing on a well-balanced, varied diet that includes plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates is a more sustainable path to long-term wellness.